Mercedes Vito, V-Class, Vienna vehicles, you'll know all about this. Ding, ding, doors open. The problem with these sensors, I've got the solution for you. This is the issue here, these sensors, this contact plate. There are lots of videos about cleaning them, putting a little spacer behind the bolt to push the plates out, but at the end of the day, you're always going to have problems, especially on a rough road. This is all you need to do. You're going to need a little torque key, torque spanner. Get this little guy off. There's 3 little wires here. We need to bridge 2 of the 3. Push the 2 little clips on either side. This pops out. I've prepared a lovely little piece of copper wiring. Plug back in, and that goes back in there. Done. And there's my bridge. Just make sure that it's a small piece of wire and that there's plenty of space for the device to plug back in. Okay, you do the same on the other side, except in this case, it's number 1 and 2, not 2 and 3. So it's the opposite on the other side. If you're unsure, just play around with which one it is. It's 2 of the 3. We'll switch off that irritating sensor. Pop that back on, and that goes back in there, and you put your screws back in, your little bolts. Okay, this is important. Just make sure that the central locking works. Yep, still locks. But no more bing bing. One final test. Yep, sensors are deactivated.